Waking up to the morning light, I see the birds take their flight. The world is alive, it's easy to see. With animals here, it's harmony. A dog's wagging tail, a cat's quiet purr, the buzz of the bees, the soft squirrel's fur. From jungles to seas, they brighten our days. Let's sing together in their praise. Animals are friends, not just faces in the crowd. Their hearts beat like ours, strong and proud.